Italy imports 85% of its needed energy from foreign countries, and now the reintroduction of nuclear power is being discussed. For this reason, nuclear power is a relevant and heavily debated topic nowadays in Italy. It's a cause of uncertainty and controversy among people. Therefore, the user is the starting point of view in our web research. There are two main questions we tried to analyze. What does user search on the web, and what does user say? Let's begin with the protocols. At first, we analyzed Google search volumes through Google Trends. We searched for keywords related to nuclear power in 5 different languages: English, Italian, French, German, and Swedish. Through this process, we obtain search volumes and date of search peaks. From the visualization of the results, we can see there are some peaks, but not all are relevant. For the Italian language, the worldwide traffic has increased during the last years, a change that is probably related to the recent government decision to reactivate nuclear plants. Then we try to understand what users find when searching for nuclear power on Google. For this, we mainly use the two tools, Harvester and Google Scraper. We began with Google, selecting the first 100 results for nuclear power. The query is processed in Italian, English, French, German, and Swedish. The source code of the results page is parsed in Harvest URLs to retrieve the links. The list of links is checked and cleaned, and then is examined in Google Scraper to count the currency of specific keywords about different topics related to nuclear, costs, health, security, and technology. This process allowed us to find out what the main discussed topic related to nuclear power are for each analyzed language. For English and German, the main topic is that of security. For French, it is health, while for Swedish, it is costs. Concerning the Italian part, we did more specific analysis, classify the first 100 Google results by topic and kind of sources. The keyword occurrence count was done for each updated category. We analyze the first result of each of this Google query, Wikipedia definition, and with this, we also start to answer the second question. What do people say on the web about nuclear power? We search for the nuclear power article on Wikipedia in English, and then in other previous languages as well. For each article, we consider word counts, kilobyte size, and activity time span. We do the same for the discussion. The results are visible on this map. You can see that German and English discussion reached a peak in 2005, while Italian discussion and article increased very quickly during the last year. Overall, English article appears to be the richest one. Now we can view another aspect of Wikipedia discussions on nuclear power, the users who participated and the relations between them. First of all, from the talk page, we extract the list of users and IP addresses with the tool created for the purpose. The number of the interventions for each user is counted with the Data Pilot tool in OpenOffice Calc. So we obtain the user's name and some IP addresses that we analyze with network tools. These tools allowed us to scan the IP addresses and identify the host name font, anonymous users or universities. This is the network. Some discussions are clearly wider than others, as the English and German ones. Anonymous users are classified by provider and others by username. Very few users seem to participate to more than one discussion. To discover more about what people say on the web, we have to consider the activity on social networks such as Twitter and Facebook. We want to know the opinion of Twitter users of nuclear power. For this, we use the Twitter form to retrieve tweets related to nuclear power. The retrieved list is manually checked and cleaned, and then classified for opinion, positive or contrary, and also depending on the topic involved, using the same keywords as in the previous protocols. As you can see from Sankey diagram, people on Twitter seems to express a more positive opinion about nuclear power. Cost and technology are the main related topics. What is the Italian recognition about nuclear power on Facebook? We query for energia nucleare and select the first 100 groups in the results. Within those, users' opinions are manually checked, and the nuclear-related topics presents is checked through keyword search in the description page of group and in the discussion pages. Then the groups are classified depending on their main topic or purpose. Groups are now manually examined to retrieve links that we use to build a network graph with Jiffy. The groups are divided first by opinion and then by purpose and main topic of discussion. We can see that most of the groups are contrary to nuclear power and have political or regional purpose. We can see that there are many groups in the swarm, and the pro-nuclear ones have clearly less connections. As for the groups contrary to nuclear power, mainly linked to some common URLs as one of them is connected to most of the others. To answer the questions on what people search and find on the web about nuclear power, we developed the 3 protocols: search volumes, keywords occurrency in the first 100 Google results, Wikipedia article and discussion analysis. For the second question related to what users say on the web, Wikipedia uses the analysis, Twitter opinions, purpose opinion and subject of Italian Facebook groups.